Welcome to the fourth chapter of our mental transformation series. Today, we will explore one of the most fundamental pillars for any journey of self-awareness and change, self-esteem and personal confidence. Throughout this episode, you will learn how to rebuild a solid foundation of self-love and believe in your genuine potential, even after years of self-sabotage or negative experiences. Join us on this journey of inner healing to transform the way you see yourself. Why is self-esteem so important? Self-esteem is not just a nice word. It's how you relate to yourself. It forms the basis of your self-confidence, your ability to make decisions, and even how you handle daily challenges. Without healthy self-esteem, negative thoughts can easily creep in, destroying your ability to move forward. To rebuild your self-esteem, it's essential to reprogram your mind, eliminating old harmful beliefs and replacing them with new, more constructive truths, identifying the beliefs that sabotage your confidence. Many times, the beliefs that shape our self-esteem were formed during childhood or through traumatic experiences throughout life. These limiting beliefs, such as, "I'm not good enough," or "I can never get anything right," need to be identified and challenged. In this segment, we will teach you how to recognize these internal voices and replace them with new ways of thinking that reflect your true worth. Techniques to build self-esteem. Rebuilding self-esteem is a continuous process that involves daily practices. Some powerful techniques include practicing positive affirmations, setting small and achievable goals, and investing time in activities that bring personal satisfaction. Another effective strategy is keeping a journal of achievements, where you write down your daily victories, helping to reinforce your sense of success. Over time, these small actions can have a profound impact on how you perceive yourself. The power of self-acceptance. Accepting yourself as you are. A crucial part of rebuilding self-esteem is learning to accept yourself exactly as you are. Self-acceptance doesn't mean settling for your flaws or mistakes, but recognizing them as part of your growth journey. Instead of harshly criticizing yourself for not being perfect, accept that imperfection is natural and that every step, every effort is a valuable part of your evolution. By accepting yourself, you create space for true confidence to flourish. Your self-esteem is the key to a fulfilling life. Throughout this episode, we explored the importance of self-esteem and how it directly affects every aspect of your life. Rebuilding your personal confidence is not just about feeling good, but about living a full life aligned with your true values and potential. Remember, this journey of transformation takes time, but every small change you make will bring significant results in the long run. Keep moving forward and believe in yourself. We hope this chapter has provided useful tools for you to start rebuilding your self-esteem and confidence. Stay tuned to our series, as we have much more to share on how to transform your mind and your life. See you in the next episode.